Today I'm going to show you how to make chow mein with beef in Barbie style. We're going to need here some sweet pepper and carrots, some corn, a medium size of onion, beef. Depends how much beef you want to put into your chow mein. I'm going to use this much. Here I have some garlic and Italian season. I will season the meat with black pepper, oil seasoning, and some paprika. We're going to start by washing the beef with some vinegar. We're gonna now wash this out with water. So we're gonna start by seasoning the meat. I'm gonna sprinkle this garlic seasoning. I'm gonna add some more garlic. 2 tablespoons of garlic. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Some black pepper. Some Chinese sauce from Guyana. Some cashew. This you can find at any West Indian store. Mix this up. I'm gonna add some more cashew because it's not the color I wanted. I'm gonna add some paprika. A teaspoon of paprika. Mix this up. So now that it's nice brownish blackish color, I'm gonna now put this in to cook. I'm gonna add some oil into the pan. Turn on the stove. So now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna add this beef in. I'm gonna let this in to fry a little. Add some water in and leave it to boil. Cover this up. So here I have some barbecue sauce. Gonna add 2 drops of this. Then I'm gonna turn this off. See if the beef is finished boiling. I'm gonna start by cutting up the vegetables. As you can see, I'm cutting them very thin. I like to cut my vegetables very fine. If I see them very big in the chow mein, I won't eat it. I'll pick them out. I'm using half of a sweet pepper. Sweet pepper really brings out the flavor. So here you can see is my sweet pepper is finely diced into small bites. So here is my carrots. I'm gonna now thinly dice this into small bites. And now for the chow mein, okay, sprinkle some salt. Then I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of sugar. So I'm gonna turn the chow mein up. So now that the chow mein has finished boiling for 20 minutes, I'm gonna take the stove off. I'm gonna drain the water out. So I like to add some salt and sugar when I'm frying my vegetables up. This is optional, you don't have to do this. It gives a nice flavor to the vegetables. I'm gonna fry my meat in now. Let this to fry for 1 minute. So here I have is some chow mein seasoning all the way from Guyana. You can find this in the West Indian store in Canada or in America. I'm gonna sprinkle some chow mein seasoning and then I'll turn this up. So here I'm gonna add some ketchup to go with it. I'm gonna add some pepper to make it really Barbie style. And now we're gonna dig into this. Yummy! So make sure you subscribe to see more videos just like this one.